Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share one of the easiest method to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. You do not need any USB, any DVD. You just need to watch the whole video and you will be able to upgrade your computer from Windows 10 to Windows 11 successfully. So let's get started. So here in the search bar, we just need to type update, and then you will find update settings. Once you do that, at the left hand side we just need to go to Windows Insider program. So once we click on that, you will get an option, join the Windows Insider program to get the preview builds. So we need to click on that, and a new window will appear like this. So it says choose an account. So you just need to click on that, and it will ask you to create a Microsoft account. So it will not take much time. If you do not have any Microsoft account, you can create a Microsoft account within a minute just to upgrade to Windows 11. So once you do that, you just need to select your email and click on continue. Now, a very important part here, you just need to choose the insider settings. Now I'll tell you all these three things and which option we should select. Now this dev channel is actually developer channel. So people who are into developing, they can install developer channel. People who are looking for new updates earlier than to normal user, they can use beta channel. And what my recommendation will be is to release preview. You should select release preview because this is one of the most stable version of Windows 11. And we just need to click on confirm, and then it will ask you a better Windows for everyone. We just need to click on confirm again, and one more step to go. You just need to click on restart now. Now the moment you restart, it will start installing Windows 11, and you just have to follow the online instruction where you want to keep files, or if you want to install the fresh installation of Windows 11, you can do that. If you have really important data in your computer, I would recommend to back up the data, then upgrade to Windows 11. So thanks for watching this small video. If you have any kind of queries and concern, let me know in the comment section.